Have you ever wondered how top Amazon sellers find winning product, like rank their listing and scale their sales without juggling dozens of different tools? That's exactly where Helium10 comes in. But what is Helium10 and why do so many people call it all-in-one toolkit for Amazon sellers? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know everything you need to understand about Helium10, who it's built for and how you can get started with this today. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to get more done in less time. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button and check the description link for free trials and special offers. Alright, now let's get started. So what is Helium10? At its core, Helium10 is an all-in-one software platform built especially for Amazon sellers. It's not just a tool for tracking your sales or checking the rankings. It's a complete suite that covers almost everything you need to run and grow an Amazon business efficiently. You get product research tools like Black Box, which can help you to find high demand, low competition product in just few clicks. You can get the keyword research tool like Magnet and the Cerebro, which show you exactly what customers are searching for, so you can optimize your listing and ads for maximum visibility. You get listing optimization tools like inventory management and alerts that notify you if there is a problem with your product listing. You can even track competitors to see what they are doing right or wrong and adjust your strategy accordingly. And that's not all. Helium10 also has PPC automation tools like Atomic that can help you to create, manage, and optimize your ad campaigns without spending hours figuring out the details. There is even RefundGen, which can help you to recover money that Amazon use automatically. Helium10 is built for anyone selling on Amazon. Whether you are a beginner just starting with your first product or a seasoned seller managing dozens of listings, this tool is designed to save you time, reduce mistake and boost your sales. If you are serious about scaling your business on Amazon, Helium10 gives you the insight and automation to do it smarter and not harder. Its some key features are the product research tool to find the winning product. It has the keyword tools for SEO and PPC campaign. It has listing optimization for higher conversion. It has the inventory management. It has competitor tracking, PPC management, automation, refund management, recovery. Basically everything you need to sell successfully on Amazon and picked inside one platform. Helium10 offers multiple plans depending on your needs. You can start with a limited free plan to explore some features or choose a paid plan if you want full access to all tools. Paid plan starts at around $29 per month and scale based on the number of tools and feature you need. Compared to paying for multiple separate tools, Helium10 is very cost effective. Now the pro side is it is an all-in-one solution saving you money and time. It has powerful data-driven insight, automation, training resources built in. And the con side is with so many features, beginner might feel a little overwhelmed at first and you will need to invest some time to learn to how to use that tools effectively. But the best part is Helium10 offers a free trial. You can test most of the core tools before committing to paid plan. That means you can explore product research, check out the keyword tools and even try listing and optimization. All are risk-free. The link is in the description so you can start testing out today. If you're serious about selling on Amazon and want to have all your key tools in one place, Helium10 is one of the best options out there. It saves you time. It helps you to make data-driven decisions and give you everything you need to scale your business. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and check the link in the description. I will see you in the next video.